Okay, we're on.
Okay, we're here at the Dauphin, Manitoba City waste disposal site. We're doing a demonstration for Blue Streak equipment of their latest Aardvark series for road magnets. We were having problems. We had a huge hailstorm last year, and we were encountering obviously a lot of problems with nails and people getting flat tires. So we went online trying to find a solution to our problem, and Blue Streak sort of jumped out at us. So we thought we would sort of talk to them about what they had to offer. Originally they had a couple of other units that we thought probably weren't going to stand up to the sort of hardships that go with a waste site. And Mike from Aardvark, or pardon me, from Blue Streak, had suggested that they were coming up with a new prototype called the Aardvark series. And here we are today. We're at this, and we're just going to show you our findings with this new prototype. There's been some modifications that have happened since we originally received it, and I'll go over them shortly. But for now, we'll just give you a quick demonstration of how it works in general, and then we'll get down to some detail. You'll note that there is a rake bar on the front. We're not going to be using that today, just for this demonstration. But if maybe I can get you just to have a look at the size of the material that we're going to be picking up. Obviously, most roads you're not going to find something of this size, but we thought we'd throw it down just to give you a demonstration. There's quite a concentration of nails and bolts here. We're going to go make a quick pass, and you'll see what's left when we're done here. So I'll just get my driver to proceed ahead. So as you can see, you know, there was a couple stuck here. That's probably from me standing on it. It was stuck in the ground now. And once again, if you had the rake bar going, you'd probably pick those up. But we usually make a couple of passes, and everything is gone. So very effective. I mean, that kind of concentration you're not normally going to get. Now, just the simple solution to dumping it, a lot of them have a hopper that you have to pick up. And when we were considering which unit to go with, we decided that we wanted to go with something that we weren't going to increase workers' comp claims or anything like that. So that was another reason why we decided to go with the Aardvark. This Aardvark comes with a battery-operated winch that sort of releases all of the metal, and I'll just simply show you that right now. You just simply push this button. This activates the winch. Okay. Now we'll just get him to drive ahead. And there you go. There's all the product. So all the operator has to do is basically drive up to a metal pile, drop it, and that's the end of it. So there's no manual lifting of heavy trays full of metals or anything. Now, just to go on to some finer details here of the unit, these tires here, this was something that was added later. It's a larger bearing assembly, which is made more suitable for high-speed travel. Also, the tire size was increased, and these tires are, I believe they're silicone filled. It's kind of, when you install them, you know they're not a regular tire. They're like very heavy, and but they're solid, so in other words, they're flat-free. The unit is fully adjustable. You can adjust it to whatever depth of what's going on. I think with the modifications that Blue Streak has done to the unit, it's probably, I can't think of a better unit for a landfill application. It's very durable, very simple, and very effective. So for us it works. So pretty much that's all we have to comment on the unit.